To create stem stitch, we're going to start on the left hand side of our marker point and pull the needle all the way through to the knot. We're then going to put our needle back in again, but we're going to pull the thread only part of the way through, so there is a loop on top. And then we're going to bring our needle halfway between those 2 points and pull it all the way through to secure the stitch. Then move along to the right, put your needle back in again and bring it up through the hole of the last stitch that you created. And then we can pull the needle all the way through. Continuing with this across to the right hand side, pulling your needle in, leaving a loop on top, then bringing it back up through the whole of the preceding stitch. And what is happening is the thread is sort of wrapping around itself. It gives a lovely twirled effect, perfect for creating the stems of flowers and also for text as well. It works really nicely. An important point here is always to keep your loop on the same side. So my loop is always above the line of stitches that I'm creating, and I'm going to maintain that all the way to the end of the line. When you come to your last couple of stitches, you want to continue with the same process, and then on your final stitch, bring your needle up through the hole of the last stitch you created. And then I go back in again in the same hole of the final stitch, and that just secures it nicely.